Today is July 7th, World Chocolate Day. It's the ultimate excuse to indulge your sweet tooth without an ounce of guilt. The grand tradition is said to mark the exact anniversary of when chocolate was first introduced to Europe way back in 1550. Before that, it was a prized treasure heavily guarded by the Aztecs and Mayans. Today, people mark it by baking decadent fudgy brownies, visiting artisanal chocolatiers, gifting fancy truffles, or just eating a massive chocolate bar straight from the wrapper. And it's not just delicious. Dark chocolate is actually packed with antioxidants that boost your brain health and reduce stress. Plus, people all around the globe consume over 7 million tons of the stuff every single year. So whether you're baking brownies, gifting truffles, or just treating yourself, July 7th has something for everyone. If you want to learn more, visit nationaltoday.com.